Okay guys, I just wanted to show you this. We got a whole bunch of wiring here that fried and we had to end up replacing most of it. Normally you would just cut this and put in a new connector or pigtail, whatever you want to call it. But in this case, it's one of our personal vehicles, so we're patching it up. This stuff here, it looks like tape. This is actually liquid tape. So if you get in a spot where you can't get into it, check this out. Permatex makes it. This stuff is unbelievable. Open that up real quick and put a little dab right there. So it's liquid form. If you haven't used it, you really want to check it out, especially if you're in some spots. This goes into the harness and up underneath the dash, and it's very tough to get to. We were able to get it out, but in some cases where you can't get into it, that's what you want to do. When that dries, it'll be just like regular tape. So check that out if you need it. That's not electrical tape, that is liquid tape, although it looks like electrical tape. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and as always guys, enjoy.